Ready to ditch your dinky phone screen and experience Pokémon Go like never before? In this video, I'll show you how to get Pokémon Go running smoothly on Bluestacks, so you can catch 'em all from the comfort of your computer first. Head over to the Bluestacks website and download the latest version of the emulator. Once the installation is complete, launch Bluestacks. Locate and open the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. This is essential for downloading Pokémon Go. Search for Pokémon Go in the Play Store, then, just like on your phone, hit the install button and wait for the game to download and install completely. Now launch Pokémon Go from the Bluestacks home screen. You may need to grant location permissions to Bluestacks. This is crucial for the game to function. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in with your Pokémon Trainer Club account or Google account. And that's it. You're now playing Pokémon Go on Bluestacks. You can customize keyboard controls to mimic walking and other actions, which you'll discover in the Bluestacks settings. Enjoy the game with hopefully better graphics and a whole new way to play. This method is not supported by Niantic and may violate their TOS.